and come back to the show.
Realize your worth. Remember it that you are valued and appreciated more than you know. Your impact is on so many people, your family, your friends, members in your community. Over the course of your whole life, it adds up. Even if it doesn't feel like it, you would be deeply missed by your loved ones, who would have to cope up with your permanent absence and who would miss you and grieve for you forever. Seek support. Start by channeling your emotions into a song, a column, or a diary entry to give a voice to your feeling and help you further understand them. Then share what you come up with someone you trust, a neighbor, a best friend, a cousin, even a counselor. Face the fear. You might have been having suicidal thoughts for some time, or maybe they only recently snuck up at you. Certain people or events might trigger dark thoughts. Bullying, abuse, death of a loved one. It's totally normal to feel sadness from painful experiences like this. But it is not healthy to spiral into a suicidal mindset and believe that death is the only solution to ending this pain. In fact, you believe suicide is the only way out might be linked to something else. Depression, bipolar disorder, anxiety of schizophrenia are often present in the suicidal. In almost 90% of those who end their own lives, like a disease, it works in your own body. These mental illnesses are diagnosable and treatable. Just because the symptoms are not visible doesn't mean a real disease is not present. And understanding the influence of a pre-existing condition will help lift you out of the space where suicidal thoughts fester. The bad news is, you and thousands of others are deeply suffering. The great news is, there is hope. Seek help. Suicidal thoughts are not treatable, but the illnesses associated with them certainly are. There are many different ways that you can silence those internal voices without permanently silencing yourself. Many clinics and counseling centers provide confidential support and even offer affordable resources or medication, if that's what you need. If you don't find a counselor you like at first, it's okay to keep looking. Counseling comes in many different shapes and sizes. Group counseling, over-the-phone counseling, one-on-one counseling. Find out what works for you best. Remember to please continue to take care of yourself. This might be a lifelong process, and that's okay. Life is hard, but you don't have to bear it alone.
On that slightly cheerful note, we are actually at the end of the show, so Doctor, I'll start with you. If you have any final words that you'd like to give to everyone who's watching.
Yes, as a psychiatrist, what I need to say is that I would again emphasize the fact that the major cause for suicide is mental illness. Therefore, recognize mental illness and take the patients to a proper place where the mental health services are available and treat them. That's the main. And also, the other important message that I want to give is that this in media, they should not publish suicides in the way that it is done today.
Thank you, Doctor. Ma'am, if you could give us your final words.
Well, my final words would be, if you have a problem, don't think that you're the only one with that problem, and suicide is not an option. I mean, don't think of it as an option. And of course, there are so many other people suffering from the same problem, and you have so many other sources of help that you can go for. Talk to a friend, talk to your parents, talk to someone that you trust, anybody, and help and hope is still there.
Thank you so much. Dr. Gambira and Ms. Lagama, thank you so much for joining us once again on GMSL, because this is such an important topic and there's so much that needs to be discussed and so many sensitive issues that really need to be opened up. There are so many things we couldn't talk about. Mental health, once again, mental health education, the sociological aspects, the environmental aspects that really bring people down. So I think we touched on as much as we could. So thank you so much for joining us, and thank you for being a part of GMSL today. It's been a rather serious show, but I hope you have a lovely Friday and a great weekend. It's the long weekend coming up, so have a lovely weekend, and we will see you once again next week. Goodbye.